Made by XD Design, the Bobby Anti-Theft Backpack is made up of high-tech features that makes it stand out from other bags. It uses very durable and strong 600D polyester throughout the bag with additional inner layers of fabric to combine for anti-shock and anti-cut proofing. I had my hands on the red version of the Bobby backpack, but you can also find it in a lighter grey and all black color. There's no denying the quality materials of the exterior shell and handle. Thick seamless stitching and padding ensures a robust feel to the touch, while adding substance and durability. The illuminating reflective trims found at the top of the bag, back of it, and on the shoulder straps makes it very safe in the dark when walking or cycling for added visibility. That way, any passing vehicle will know you are standing there. The Bobby Anti-Theft Backpack becomes a lot smarter when you flip the bag over and take a look at the back panel. There's a mesh ventilation across the whole panel and on the straps, making it very comfortable to wear. Also, it has an integrated USB port which I found very useful. With the port, all you have to do is connect and leave your power bank in the backpack, and anytime your phone runs low on battery, just connect it to the port and you are good to go. The zipped pocket at the back is great for keeping your important documents, currency, or any sensitive items stored with access only when you want to. The shoulder straps also come with hidden compartments to house all your cards. This simplifies things when you want to use your card to pay for a bill, among others. The Bobby Anti-Theft Backpack is headlined as a security bag, which prevents pickpockets from having easy access to the contents of your bag. This security feature is accomplished by designing the bag in a way that hides the main zippers from everyone. I found it very useful and convenient. The Bobby Backpack places security in mind and does a fantastic job at that. The minimal exterior design is attractive to look at and comfortable to wear thanks to the smart weight ergonomics and adequate padding. It is compact yet functional with plenty of accessible pockets to keep you moving without worry. The XD Design Bobby Anti-Theft Backpack will set you back for only 200 Ghana cedi and is sold at the Device Hub Ghana. I'll drop a link of the product in the comment section down below and make sure you get yours today. Thanks for watching this episode of Quick View. Make sure to like, share and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Catch you in the next one.